So we'd like to introduce you to our latest story, which we find is a very important paper. What we address there is Alzheimer's disease, which is a devastating disorder affecting many people worldwide. And one of the major issues with Alzheimer's disease is not really so much to find novel cures or causative therapies, which we already have to some extent, but to identify patients early. So what we need are biomarkers that can be used in screening approaches to identify people at risk. So what we've been studying is small non-coding RNAs, specifically microRNAs, because they are easy to measure, they're very stable, and actually they communicate across organs, so they can be measured in blood, and still you get information about what's going on in the brain. But if you want to find a marker for early diagnosis, you cannot compare patients. So what we did, actually, we went back and we analyzed healthy individuals and correlated their cognitive function to the expression levels of microRNAs. And with these data, we went further and curated these using animal models, using stem cell models, and in the end only using patients, confirming that what we found actually makes a lot of sense. And we believe that we can develop this further now into a point of care assay, so that we have something like a screening tool to identify actually people not that have Alzheimer's disease, but people who are at risk. And we think that this is very important because these individuals can then undergo further diagnosis, for example, using more invasive methods such as MRI or analysis of cerebrospinal fluid.